16 spatial questions, 8 question types, 2 rounds. This is the round almost nobody drills. Cube folding, paper folding, mirrors, pattern matrices, the questions most practice tests skip completely. Here is the deal. Round 1 runs at test speed, 10 seconds a question, and every answer teaches you the one rule that cracks that type. Round 2, same 8 types, harder builds, 15 seconds. If the rule's stuck, round 2 is free points. Keep your score out of 16. Let's go. 3 things before the clock starts. 10 seconds per question in round 1. 15 in round 2 because the builds get nasty. The options are on screen. If a question stalls you, guess and move on. On the real test, speed is the whole game. Question 1. Which cube can be folded from this colored net? 10 seconds. D. 3 of these place 2 opposite faces side by side, physically impossible. The rule, faces opposite in the net can never touch on the cube. Question 2. Which 2 pieces combine to create the figure on the left? Pieces slide but never rotate. 10 seconds. B and C lock the amber cells first. Only one pair covers all 4 without spilling outside. The rule, kill options from the loudest cell first. Question 3. Which option is the mirror image of the figure, not just a rotation? 10 seconds. A. 3 options are plain rotations. Follow the long arm, only one runs the wrong way round. The rule, a mirror flips the direction of travel. No spin can fix that. Question 4. How many cubes are in this stack? Count the hidden ones too. 10 seconds. C. 9 on the floor, 4 on level 2, 1 on top. 5 of them you cannot see at all. Count the structure, not the picture. The rule, count layer by layer. Hidden supports are still cubes. Question 5. The bar turns by the same amount each step, dot leading. Which panel comes next? 10 seconds. D. 60 degrees per step. And watch the dot. One option turns the bar correctly, but puts the dot on the wrong end. The rule, measure one step, apply it once more, and track which end leads. Question 6. A square sheet is folded left onto right, then top onto bottom. 2 holes are punched, and the sheet is unfolded. Which pattern? 10 seconds. B. Each fold doubles both holes, 8 in total, 2 families of 4, and every copy keeps its distance from the fold line. The rule, unfold backwards. Every fold is one mirror applied to every hole. Question 7. Left plus middle makes right. Which figure completes the last row? 10 seconds. D. Stack the first 2 figures on top of each other. Every line survives. The rule, read the row as an equation. Question 8. Fold the cross net. Which numbered edge lands on the orange edge? 10 seconds. A. Walk the fold. The flaps swing together and the far edge comes all the way around. The rule, fold and glues 2 net edges into 1 cube edge. Trace the partner, never guess by distance. Half time. 8 down, 8 to go. And you now know all 8 rules. Round 2 is the same 8 types in the same order, just meaner, 15 seconds each. Count your score so far, and remember, from here, every question is a rule you already own. Prove it. Question 9. Which cube folds from this net? Watch the symbols closely. 15 seconds. Two options mirror a symbol, one flips it upside down. Folding can turn a face, never flip it. Question 10. Which 3 pieces create the figure on the left? Only pieces of the same color may overlap. 15 seconds. A and B and D, two of them look like twins, but one amber cell flips color, and that twin fits nowhere. Question 11. Flipped question. Which option is identical to the figure? A rotation, hiding among mirror images. 15 seconds. Three of these are mirrored copies. Only one keeps the arm running clockwise. Question 12. The stack is painted on every side except the base. How many cubes have paint on exactly 3 faces? 15 seconds. B. Check each cube's 3 faces one by one. Corners collect paint. Buried cubes stay clean. Question 13. 2 rules at once. The square hops clockwise, the red arc turns the other way. Which panel comes next? 15 seconds. D. Track the square first. It kills 2 options. Then the arc decides. Question 14. 3 folds, left on the right, top on the bottom. Then along the diagonal. 2 holes this time. Unfolded. Which pattern? 15 seconds. B. 12, not 16. The center hole's mirror copies land on each other. Overlapping copies is the trap the 16-hole option walks into. Question 15. 2 rules now. Shared lines cancel out, and the dot orbits the corners clockwise. Complete the matrix. 15 seconds. D. Shared lines delete each other. That kills the option with every line. The dot kills the rest. Question 16. The capstone. Offset net. Same question. Which numbered edge meets the orange edge? 15 seconds. E. The closest edges are all wrong. On this net, the partner sits at the far end of the staircase. 16 questions. Where did you land? 13 or more. Spatial is where you win points. On test day, this round is your weapon. 9 to 12, solid. 1 or 2 rules still wobble. You know exactly which ones. Under 9, here is the good news. Every miss in this round is technique, not talent. You now know all 8 rules. Run the video again tomorrow. The second pass is where they stick. If you want to know which question types cost you points beyond spatial, the free 5-minute diagnostic on wonderlictestprep.com breaks your score down type by type. And if you want the full experience, the complete 50-question test is right here. Spatial round included. The links are below. Take care, guys.